Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Liquid Crystals by SolarColorDust.com. In this video you'll see me testing it out for the very first time with you on camera. So let's get into it. I'll be using one of my crystal molds that I bought off of Amazon. And I already have my resin mixed together. You could use alcohol inks to color the resin, or you could use paints if you don't have alcohol ink. Today I'm going to be using the alcohol ink though. I pour a little bit of the resin into the mold first, and then I'm going to take a ball tool and get into the little cracks and crevices before I fill the mold all the way up. They also sent me this free sample of glitter, and it actually was very beautiful. I wish I would have recorded a little bit of it. So I know this liquid crystals comes in the paintable kind, which I have right here, and it also comes in the sprayable kind to put into an airbrush gun. The instructions say that it's best to paint on a black surface so that the color shows up well. So that's what I'm doing here. I did notice that this product is a little bit runny, so it does seep into small cracks and crevices. Some spots did seem to dry quicker. If it was a thicker spot, then it took much longer to dry. This probably took a good 15 minutes for the product to dry. So in this video here, you can see that it's orange, and that means that it's cold, and with the touch of my finger, it turns blue to green. At this point, I was very happy how this product was turning out, and I ruined it. I tried sealing it with a Sculpey gloss glaze, and that was a mistake. I think my brush strokes were a little bit too rough. It started to wipe off the liquid crystal. I also could have tried putting on another coat of the liquid crystal, or maybe letting it dry longer. After the glaze dries, you can see it just doesn't look the same. In spots it looks like the liquid crystal is missing, and it just doesn't look as good. I decided to put another layer of the liquid crystal on top of the Sculpey gloss glaze just to see if I could get it to even out a little bit. Here it is after the second coat of the liquid crystal. This time I'm going to spray it with a matte finish. And here is the final result. I do like the matte finish a lot better with this product. I went outside to test this in the snow, and it made a pretty cool effect. After I brought it in from the cold, I decided to do a little time lapse. Overall, I think this is a really cool product, and I'm going to keep using it on different mediums. I definitely learned a lot about it from this first project. Before I finish this video, I wanted to do a painting using these liquid crystals. Enjoy this little time lapse. I definitely love this product, and I'm going to be using it on a lot of my projects, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.